Muskie here. I'm gonna try something fun. We're gonna do bird feeder time. Maybe we'll do it a few times this winter. We're having fun here, getting our first blizzard. Hey, check this out for possible future muskies. I can't hear what I'm saying. Got my chook on. Okay, well, there's some walking sticks. Got a new set of choppers. And we got the rock department, the gold panning department. Oh, the driftwood compartment. Now the key to running a really good operation is to do daily access maintenance. You gotta make sure your door opens and closes. You just wait to see what we got coming. We don't have to put the lid on. We don't have any mice. We have cat. That's what I call the bus stop. Rabbits love the leftovers, and that's good. And I'm letting them eat them all they want, because I got a plan for those rabbits. Blue jays. Blue jay food. Well, I guess now all there is to do is to go in and warm up and wait for an eruption of siskins.